Hello and welcome to this exciting project. In this project, we're going to build a recommendation system which is capable of recommending movies to users, right? So we're going to build this awesome app, which as you can see over here, right? Similar to what Netflix is having. We're going to build this movie recommendation system. Let me walk you through actually for you to see how this movie recommendation system works. So you can see we have a search button over here if user comes and they search for the movie that they want. So let's say they search for, say, B. So, you can see that it's showing the trailer of it. Okay, the trailer of the movie, right? And then the title of the movie is there, right? Whatever the user is typing. If I type a different thing, I'm going to mute it. I'll reduce the volume. So if I search for, say, let's Deadpool. Now you see that it's showing the trailer for that. So whatever movie that the user search is going to show it, right? Let's search for a different one. If I search for, say, Furious, right, you see that it's showing the Furious over there, right? But if I if I click on enter here, you see that it's showing the Fast and Furious trailer. And then you see that we have the search results, which is going to be the recommendations that we are doing. In fact, we are building the model right here, right? We're using the collaborative filtering and content-based algorithms that we learned in the recommendation class to build the recommendation engine. And then we're going to use that one. We build a model, we export it, okay? So you can see that we build a model. When we export the model, we're going to use it over here, right? If you come here, we are using the PyCharm. So if you go all the way up, right, you see that I have the model over here, right? Recommendation_model.pickle. That's what we're using to make the recommendation. So I'll show you how to prepare all these files and how to even, build it right from here. And we are using this database. We're using the TMDB database. Okay, this is where we are getting the data from. So if you come to the code, you see that it's asking you to enter your API key. I will show you how to get the API key to extract the live movie data and use it to build a recommendation engine like this. This is going to be the end results. And then you can see your logo over there, this search result. Search bar can be dragged anywhere. And as soon as the user starts to search, you can see that it's giving auto suggestions. Okay, let me increase the volume, and then it's also giving you the trailer of that and the recommended movies. Okay, you can see down here we have the top 10 movies in the US. You can see 1, 2, 3 showing the numbers on top of the movies as well. And then we have the trending movies. Okay, a whole lot of them trending movies. And then we have popular trailers. Okay, so showing popular trailers. Okay, so if you come all the way here, all right. We also have, let me go here. We also have popular trailers. We have people also watch with all these movies. We're using the recommendation model that we built over here, the collaborative filtering and content-based algorithms, and try to populate this over here. So you can see we have a whole lot of movies over here for the user to choose from. Over here, a whole lot of movies that have been extracted and recommended for the user. And the most interesting part is, for any of the movies, whether it is the recommend, the search results or the top 10 or the trending or any of the movies, if we click on, say, maybe let's go here. Let's click on view details. If we click on this one here, right, it's also going to take you to a different page like this, where you can see the movie, you can see the title and the details. Okay, and then you can see the top cast in the movie, and then you can see the recommendation. Now this recommendation is based on, let me lower the volume, this recommendation, right, that we've seen over here, right? This recommendation is based on the movie that the user has selected. Okay, if we select a different movie, let's select this one. Okay, now you can see this one. Okay, the title is there, you can see the details of the movie. Okay, the genre that it belongs to. It's an action and drama movie, and the top cast, and then you can see the recommendation is based on this movie. Okay, you can see that. And then we have the trending movies and the popular trailer. So imagine when you are applying for a new job as a data scientist and you are showing them that you built this from scratch. These are the projects that get you hired. So this is very, very, very awesome, right? This is very awesome, right? This is very awesome. Let's click on this one and see. This is John Wick. Okay, now you can see the top cast in that movie over there, the details of that movie. Okay, you can see it right there, and then you can see the movies that have been recommended. The recommended movies over there as well. All right. So this is similar to what Netflix is having, and I'm going to show you how you can build this one on your own. Okay, you can see this one. I'm deploying it right in my local system. We can also deploy it in the cloud using AWS or Google Cloud or Microsoft Azure. Okay, so if I take this one off, it takes me back to the home page where I can search whatever that I want. Let's search for John. I mean, you can search for any movie of your favorite that you want. Let's search for Super, or maybe a Spider-Man or Superman or whatever. Let's search for Viking, something like that. It's going to present over here. Now you can see that these are movies that are related to Vikings. Okay, so the recommendation is really working very fine, right? We can select any of those movies and then, select any of those movies and then we can see the details of that. Okay, so let's go all the way up, right? If we select, let's say we select this one here, it's going to show you the details of that. Okay, the movie, the title, the details of that, the top cast, everything. Then it's playing the trailer for the user to see as well. Okay, it's just really, really, really nice. Let's see this one. This is Oppenheimer. You can see the title of the movies, the details, the top cast. You can see it over there, right? And then the recommended movies. Okay, you can see everything, which is really, really nice. Now, I'm going to walk you through step by step how you can get your API key to extract the movie details from here and how you can build a model from here. And then how you can also prepare all these files. Okay, I'm going to show you step by step how to do it. This one will stem from the recommendation system that we learned earlier on in the course. We're going to base on those concepts and then we're going to be using that one to build this recommendation engine. Okay, recommendation system. I'm going to show you how you can do it for yourself, how you can add your own custom logo over there. All right, and everything. Also how you can even make this one more fluid to move around anywhere that you want. You can see this one, you can see the title. Okay, you can see the top cast and everything. Right. And then the recommended movies. Okay, this is really, really nice. I'm going to show you how you can build this thing right from the scratch. And for the top 10 too, you can click on each of them, right? And then you can see the details. We can even add, a login page like this, okay, which I'm preparing, so maybe later on I'll add to it. If I get the time, I'll add a login page like this, where user can either log in or register to get access to the app. Okay, create an account and then log in like that. We can add that one also. Okay. Alright, so let's start and then I'll show you how to do this by yourself. Alright,